Alright everyone, so I want you to pay attention to every single detail I'll be showing in this video. And in the community I already posted and notified them that I'll be dropping a free $10 no deposit bonus, and I don't want you to waste time on it. In case if you're actually seeing this video and you're not yet in the community, just click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section to join and also take part in updates like this anytime I drop them. And one thing I want you to know is that updates like this actually don't last. They are always reserved for like maybe the first 500 people, the first 1000 people. So you don't need to waste any time. Just go straight, claim the bonus, and make sure you verify your details. For this bonus, without verification, you won't be able to claim it. And you can see right here on the screen, I'm already placing my trades and it's already running. It's running right here, and you can see it showing on the screen. So without wasting time, all you need to do is to come to the comment section, click on the link I'll be adding, which will bring you to a site where you actually need to sign up with them. But before going into that, I want you to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notification, which is most important, so that you always get notified anytime I drop updates like this. And if you're able to claim the bonus, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section to let others actually know how legit this bonus is. So click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section, which will bring you right here into the site. Now you can take a look at the details right here. If you scroll up a little bit, you'll be able to see where you actually click on that will bring details like this, where you need to sign up with them. Now you need to fill up every single detail right here on the screen and click on continue to proceed into the site. So the first thing you'll be sent is the code into your email to verify the email which you used in registering. Now once you go to your email, copy the code, come back to the main site to input it and paste it, then you can now proceed into logging in. Now once you logged in, the first thing you see on the screen is details like this, which actually means you actually need to verify your details, your ID, and the mobile phone number. Now verify your details, you click on the verify your details section and make sure you click on that box that actually says you are up to 18. Now see this details showing on the screen that says claim bonus. You click on it and it comes to this section where you actually have details of you chatting with the support and requesting for the bonus. Now in the support section, you see you actually come to the support to request for the bonus, and also that's after you're filling your details and you've been verified. Once you've been verified, you actually have all these details because the code will be sent to your number which was used to sign up. The code will be sent and the number is registered with WhatsApp. You will receive a code in your WhatsApp. And once you've done all that, you just come to this section to open an account. But before doing that, you must actually receive an email about you being verified. Now you can see mine right here. I just got notified about this email that is verified right here. An email like this, you can see it right here for verification. Now since we have this have been verified, all we just need to do is to proceed back to the site to open an account. Now going back to the site to open an account, you can see right here, and after starting with the support, and the support actually says you actually need to first verify your details. Now coming back here to open an account, you just click on the three lines shown by the side right here and click on account. You can see it right there and open a live account. Now to come to this section, for the type, you click on it and to bring options, so you actually be able to select a free $10 deposit bonus. You can see it right there among the options, the MT5 free $10 deposit bonus. Now you select it, make sure that's what you actually select, and to bring details like this on your screen. Now click on to review full information, and a clear information about this free no deposit bonus will be sent to your email, both the login details and every details you need to know. Now scroll down a little bit and click on continue, and you can see the account has been opened, and all you just need to do is to click on continue once again right here shown on the screen. And after that, you can see account details have been sent to me. Now going straight to our MT5 to log into our MT5, I'll come to this section to input the name of the server, which is Saracen Market. Once you do that, once you input the name of the server, you then put in your login details and the password. Click on login, and once you log into the site, you should be having something like this on your screen. And once you log in, you should be having the $10 in your account and ready to place trade. Now see all the clear details which I just explained. Make sure you follow every step I showed in the video and don't miss out on any update like this. So all you need to do is just subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on updates when I drop them. Now you can see I've already placed my trade, and I explained earlier in the beginning of the video that you can actually start trading immediately. And for the terms and conditions, you just need to trade just 5 lot size, and also no edging allowed, meaning no buying and selling at the same time, and also no bot allowed. You're not allowed to use bots to place trade. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Have a nice day.